Ready Player One, right here. If you like to play Space Invaders, that's what this reminds me of. And if you know what Space Invaders is, then welcome, you're my kind of people. So, hey, let me take this off. It's called a space player because it does look futuristic, like something you'd see on a sci-fi movie, but it does so much better than just watching a movie. Right here, I'm gonna save the best for last in a second. You're gonna love what I have to show you on the back side of this thing. It is super awesome. But right here where you see the engine's ports right here, where the engine comes in, these are just little turbo fans. Sucks the air in, blows the air out. Why would you want that? Because you're gonna put that right here around your neck, and you can tighten this up as much as possible so that it can go down here, or you can tighten it up, which I like to do. I like to tighten this all the way up as much as I can. So get it pretty tight like that. This obviously just loops around, and I just turned it on. So now that we got it a little bit tighter, it loops around just like that. Now I can show you how to turn it on. To turn it on and off, this is your on and off switch. So I like this toggle off so that it doesn't accidentally get turned on like I just did. I know it won't waste the battery. So when I'm storing it or traveling with it in the car, I always turn it off with this little button. Turn it back on like that. Oh, and if you double tap, you got your lights. So you double tap on this, it's gonna lighten that up. And double tap to get SOS, and then a slower blinking, and then you're good to go right there. So again, this is the reason why I like to have it a little tighter around my neck. So when I'm out there watching a sports game, watching kids' soccer game, t-ball game, anything like that, no, these are not binoculars. These are what your personal cooling device. To get that started, you just press and hold on there. It starts at 1 degree, and we're gonna crank that all the way up to 100. Just like that, we're sitting at 100. There's 100 right there, and you can see it's getting me, but this is as far as it goes. So I want to know, this is a personal fan. So it's right here, it's blowing me. Right here, I can barely feel it. So you really want it close to here, or better yet, let's stand up. You can take this off right here. This feature is my favorite feature. This is an ice pack right here. This is really cold, it's awesome. You just take it and you can slide it off like this, stick it in the freezer, and then when you're ready to go, you know what? I'm gonna stick that right there, or put it in your cooler, and then you take it, woohoo! That feels so good right on the back side. So right on there, that feels really good. Just having that nice, cooled, compressed, cold pack right there on my hip, on my back. Oh, that feels good right in the back, right there. And then you can take it like this and throw your shirt over it, trap all that air, and now the air is coming all the way up my back. And that feels awesome. Now I'm walking around, if I'm at a flea market or whatever, I'm walking around, I have my own portable AC, and that is getting a little bit too cold, but it feels so good. Or if you're at the ball game, you can flip it around and do the same thing here. Woo! No more sweaty pits. Last thing I would tell you is you can adjust this just slightly every bit. So if you're ready to step your space game up, you want to level up your next game and stay cool with Space Player, the guys, this is awesome. I can't tell you how much I love this feature right here.